I am wonderfully made. I am whole. I am pure. I am perfect. I appreciate how amazing my body is. My body is vibrating perfectly and is in perfect alignment with my higher self. It is healing in every way. I am strong. I am healthy. I am beautiful. I'm radiant. I'm glowing. My body is constantly refreshing. New cells are being replaced every day, and they are fresh, new, and using the DNA code from my most healthy time. My genetic code is highlighting the most powerful and strong codes from my past and writing them to the new cells that are replacing the old ones. I am growing stronger and healthier and more vibrant every day. I have an abundance of energy. My metabolism is functioning perfectly and extracting all nutrients. My body only holds the goodness of the foods I eat and passes all waste. My skin is smooth and glowing. My eyes are bright and intense with color. The whites are brilliant. My teeth are strong and brilliant white. My tongue is pink and healthy. My muscles are strong and well defined. They're growing in abundance and in perfect proportion. My hair is growing thick and lustrous. I have wonderful follicles in abundance that are rejuvenating and are producing thick, lovely hair and expanding every day into a perfect head of hair. I have perfect vision, which is clear, bright, and seeing intense color. I have perfect hearing that's precise and sensitive. I am thankful that my body is aligned perfect with my higher self. I am grateful that my vibration is in perfect harmony with my higher self. I have a wonderfully high vibration. I feel joy, love, peace, and they're abundant all the time. I am enlightened. My abdominal muscles are strong. My core is strong. Those muscles are lean and well defined. My vibration and energy is broadcasting a powerful, healthy signal of attraction, and it's attracting energy that's drawing to me everything good, and it's coming in abundance. I am abundant in all that is good. I am confident. I am incredibly beautiful. I am gorgeous. I am very attractive to everyone that has a high vibration. I am amazing. I am smart. I am brilliant. My memory is perfect and I never forget. I am always able to say the right thing at the right time. I am extremely funny. I love me. I love me. I love me. People love me. I inspire people. I'm grateful for how amazing I am. I am grateful for how beautiful my exterior is and how it reflects my beautiful heart. I am incredible. I am incredible. I am made in the image of God. I am like God. I am made from the dust of stars. I am a spiritual being in beautiful flesh. I create my own reality. I am happy. I feel peace and abundance. I feel gratitude to everything in abundance. I feel love in abundance. I am enlightened. I see that I am attached to the source of all power and can allow all power to flow through me easily. I instantly create my desires into my vortex, and then I freely and easily wait for them to vibrate into existence by knowing that they are coming for certain. And I happily watch them unfold in whatever way they come to me. All good things come to me, and they come easily and in abundance. I am always at the right place at the right time. I am successful and incredibly smart with finances. Money flows to me easily and in great abundance. I inspire people. People love to hear what I have to say. They anxiously await to hear the next thing. People appreciate my wisdom. People look to me as a leader. People want to support me graciously in all ways. I am beautiful. I am wonderful. I am radiant. I am glowing. I feel love, peace, joy, and abundance. I feel enlightenment. I can see my higher spiritual self, and I am vibrating in perfect harmony with it. I am wonderful. I am wonderful. I am wonderful. I am perfect and healthy and strong. My DNA is perfect. I am growing younger, healthier, and stronger. Every day, my cells are being replaced with stronger and better and more perfect cells. I am growing wonderful hair. I am growing wonderful skin. I am growing perfect health. I am absolutely beautiful. I am gorgeous. I am radiant. I am wonderfully made. I appreciate how wonderful I am and how beautiful I am. What a perfect person that I am. I am amazing. I am gracious. I am love. I am peaceful. I am giving. I have a wonderful heart. I have a wonderful spirit. I have a wonderful vibration. All good things come to me, and they come in abundance and easily, and I easily allow them to come to my life. I am amazing. I am wonderful. I love me. I love me. I love me. I am whole. I am whole, and I am pure. I am wonderful in every way. I can do anything. I am limitless. I can do anything. I am strong. All things come to me easily. I am amazing. I can accomplish anything. I bring everything good into existence. I create my own reality, and I create things easily because I am amazing and I am wonderful, and I believe all these things. I believe every one of them to the core of my being. These things are true. These things are true. I believe them. I believe them. These things I speak are true. I speak them because they are true. I hear them because they are true. I am love. I am wonderful. I am absolutely amazing. I can manifest anything. I create my own reality, and in my own reality, I am perfect. I am perfect. I